If you are sick of rocking lace wigs and seeing that visible lace on your skin and you don't feel like going to a stylist for a sew-in, then you need this V-part wig in your life.
She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one in the one. So what is gonna be? Baby, squad up.
This matches my natural hair texture perfectly, but I feel like this would blend with any 4A, B, C type hair. I would like to thank CurlyMe Hair for sponsoring today's V-part wig install for y'all. Today I'm going to be installing their 20-inch Afro Curly V-part wig, and it blended in so nicely with my natural hair. It was very easy to define the curls on this wig and get it nice and big and fluffy like it is right now. I got so many compliments wearing this wig on TikTok live, chatting with you guys. A lot of you thought I was wearing bundles or even this was my natural hair. So if you are on the hunt for a nice V-part wig that can blend in with your natural curly textured hair, this is going to be the perfect wig for you. If you would like to see how I installed this wig, how I define these curls, and if you would like to see how I blended my 4A, 4B curls with this textured hair, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching.
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. Late o'clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore.
When I go with confidence, when I go we roll like hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know I want. When you tell me what I want, when the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like your ice in the wristline. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like your ice in the wristline. Sounding like your ice in the wristline. Show ya. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. Said I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya.
V-part wigs are perfect for this time of the year. You don't have to worry about your hair frizzing up like in summer. And I love the fact that I do not have to straighten my hair with this texture. I can just wear my hair in its natural state so I can keep my hair styled and protected underneath. I have plenty of oil on my hair underneath so that I can get the moisture and lock everything in as needed. And then I just have a little bit of my hair left out up top, but I'm not putting any straightener on the hair because the hair is curly. So this is the perfect V-part wig for those of you who have textured curly hair and you don't want to apply heat to your hair and you're tired of the lace wigs. If you're interested in checking out this wig from CurlyMe Hair, I'm going to leave a link down below in the description box for you guys, and I will have the coupon codes down there as well so you can save a little bit of money on this wig. Thank you so much for your continued love and support. If you haven't already checked out my latest Get Ready With Me video, it is a birthday makeup look. Be sure to click the box right here to check that out next.